guys, so now that we've got the car inside and, well, we got all the dirt knocked off of it. Now you're probably wondering, why didn't you just pull it in here and wash it? And then you wouldn't have to do outside where it's cold. Well, there's two reasons. One, that car's filthy. And two, it would have made an absolute mess to our inside wash bay. I know, first world problems, but hear me out. If you go back and watch some of that footage from just a few minutes ago, you would see how much ingrained dirt is in every single channel. And that happened because this car has been sitting under a tree for a very long time. It possibly also hasn't been washed in a very long time. Now, I'll tell you a story. I've seen a number of cars in my time that people just don't wash them. They park them under a large pile of trees. Dirt and stuff from the trees just falls on the surface of the car and it just sits there, right? It starts to collect and run off into the channels that are designed to grab that. Well, what happens if leaves and branches and all kinds of stuff start building up and building up? Well, they create little dams. Those dams don't let that water pass through anymore. And as such, all the dirt and surface dirt that's sitting on the car gets washed and flooded into those areas, and those just keep building up. I've even had cars come in where they've actually started growing plants and flowers in those drain channels. And that's literally what was happening on this STI. Yes, we are gonna wash it again, but this time we're gonna give you one of those fancy washes. The kind of washes everybody likes to see, everybody wants to have done. We got water spots, we've got iron deposits, we've got tree sap, we've got a ton of different stuff on the surface of the car. We've already washed it down with Power Clean. That was the very first step. What we're gonna be doing next is we're gonna be using GSF by Kosh Chemie, and what we're gonna do is mix in some of Kosh Chemie's Green Star Universal Cleaner as well into our foam cannon. Even better than just straight Power Clean. Plus we're gonna give it some lubricity. We're gonna be able to actually really scrub the paint, because in this last one, we didn't actually scrub the car. We just power cleaned it and pressure washed the living snot out of it. So let's get all that dirt off so we can actually see what we're gonna be working with.
All right, guys, so Levi is doing a pre-spray on the STI with some Power Clean, just kind of dislodging all the extra stuff that we couldn't get off outside there in the outdoor wash bay. While he's doing a mitt, I'm gonna be coming through with a soft bristle brush, so I'm gonna be using the Detail Factory Ultra Soft Bristle Brush along with some more Green Star. So APC can't hurt this situation at all whatsoever. There's so much ingrained dirt on every single area of this vehicle that APC is going to be our best friend, right? And brushes as well. So yes, we are going to be taking things off this car. The bumper's probably going to come off. The hood's probably going to come off. There's going to be a lot of things coming off, but we want to dislodge as much of that dirt as we can before disassembling things, because if that dirt is between two panels and we go to take something off, it's just going to cause more damage. So we want to do this as kind of like a safety thing to start off. So he's going to keep spraying down, start foaming, and then I'm going to be coming in there with a very handy brush and getting you some very, very satisfying shots.